Hey there, guys. Juliette Wensler here, Remax Victory and Affiliates. Yeah, totally snowy. Little snowy. Okay, I am working on open house tomorrow. See the address? 182 Villa Point Drive in Springboro. 2 to 4 p.m. Come and see me. I'm also doing an open house in Kettering on Sunday. I'll post a video for that tomorrow. I think that's all I want to tell you. Oh, c'est la vie. Love it. Anyways, hope you all are well. Happy Friday. I don't mind that it's snowing again. Do you? Do you care? Are you annoyed? Do you hate it? I love it. Yeah. And I like my new peepers. And I can see with them on. So good. All right. I hope you all are having a fabulous Friday. As always, remember me for your real estate needs in 2025 and stop by and see me tomorrow. 182 Villa Point Drive in Springboro.